Okay, Pierce, it's time to fix the lures.
The lures.
What's a lure? You need to file the bottom.
Why? Like
There's
this?
some, there's some flash.
Which flash?
Flash makes it not work.
Like, can I just keep scratching it?
Yeah, just keep scratching it. Then test it. See if it works.
What?
Try to connect it. Good job. Good job. You better measure it. See if it's a good part now.
What part?
Better measure it. Use your ruler. Yeah, measure it. See if it'll work. Measure the part. Not the file. Measure the part.
What part?
The lure.
Like this?
Yes, that. No, not that. The lure.
This?
Yes,
He's
that part. Can you put it together now? Does it work? Can you test it? Let's see. Ooh, good job.